Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Here is an opportunity to purchase one of these villas with a private pool and garden area to entertain family and guests in your backyard. Located in one of St. Andrew's most elite neighborhoods and known as the Camden at Millsborough, this 3-bed, 4-bath townhouse with a basement spans over 5,000 square feet. The ground floor area comes with an adjustable space to create a fourth bedroom or an office, a large eating kitchen, helpers' quarters, storeroom, a large balcony leading to the pool area and the backyard. Additional features of this home are underground water storage tank, solar water heater, air conditioning units in all the rooms, and backup power supply should your electricity go. If safety is your concern, then that is taken care of with 24 hours manned security at the entrance to the complex. There are only 6 of these villas in the complex and only one is left for sale. Call now to secure this one before it's gone. Guys, let's take a look at this villa and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this villa is US $1.82 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.